going to show you guys how to put back together a 4-inch 3-stage Keene sluice box back together. So as you can see, it's completely apart. I'm going to start with the back fine gold stage section. There is you take 2 longer mats to put back down there. I got a blue mat, so going to go down first. And miner's moss goes on top of that. Then over that is this system here. And I used to argue with my brother all the time about this. I used to tell him to put this on backwards, and he would constantly tell me I'm wrong. And finally we went to a place that sells new ones, and we looked in the Dredge, and it actually goes in like this. So these bars, not like this, not like this, but like this.
And the reason for that is the gold falls off these rifles. The gold creates a low pressure point for the gold to fall off of these rifles.
Alright, so next on top of that, I'm going to place this stainless steel shield. Now, when I put it back together, I have it all the way flush. However, when you guys are out and operating your Dredge, you may find that you can slide the pan out 3 to 6 inches, depending on how you have it set up, to make sure that it is working properly underneath there. So when I put it back together, I always put it flush with the bottom.
That basically adjusts the amount of water that goes into that bottom fine gold section.
Next, I'm going to take a blue mat and put it on there. Slide to get snaps down here. Next is the top section. I'm going to take, this is not the original black mat that came with it. This is actually a piece of gold hog matting that we used. Not quite sure it's the right piece, but it seems to work all right. So I'm going to slide that up in here. Next is another blue mat that goes just nicely right here. And then on top of that, we got miner's moss. And the miner's moss lines up. This is just some rifles that get snapped in. You want to put your miner's moss up as far as you can and be held nicely in place with these clips here. This snaps in here. So there's also two clips back on this side here. Alright, so next I just have to put on these screens on top. So I got this one here, and there's 2 pegs on the rifle. They just slide in on there. And then there is this one here. It is missing a bolt, but we have 1 out of the 2. And there's 2 little cutouts. It goes up front like so. There's also some expanded metal that goes on the lower section that it rotted a long time on us, and we don't have it anymore. But you might have that. That goes into your 3-stage section. And that's it. That's how you put together your sluice box in the 4-inch Dredge.